Hello everyone. So today is my second YouTube tutorial on blending tools. So which blending tools you can use for the blending. So what is blending? Basically when we are sketching an area or a small portion, what happens that some area or some pores are left behind during sketching. So just to fill up those pores we use blending. Okay, so or you can say it is like smoothing a surface, which basically you can use for your portraits or your like realistic art also. Okay, so realistic sketch you can use blending tools in them. Okay, so what is there? There are some different tools which are lying here in a row, and here I have mentioned their name, that is blending stick here. Next, brush or smudgers here, these two, and a earbud here, and a tissue roll. So these tools have their own function, so how you can use them, where you can use them, just see, and which tool is best for you as a beginner. Okay, so as a beginner I think all these tools, all must have these tools. If you don't have this blending stick, no issues, you must have an earbud, it will be work same for you. Okay, so we'll see how these blendings are going on. Okay, so first we'll start with the blending stick as mentioned. So this is the small one. So this is somewhat a larger area. I am using my larger one blending stick for this. Okay, so this one is size 6. Okay, so and for most important thing, that these blending stick you can see here, it is very dirty, so you can clean them by using a sandpaper. Okay, so here I'll show you, or a tissue you can use for cleaning them. Go very light hand, don't pressurize the stick on the paper, otherwise it will tear up your paper, definitely. So you are seeing what is the difference between this and this. Now I have smoothed out the complete circle over here. Now this is the effect of blending stick. Next we are going for the brush. Now you can see both the shading are really very different, both this smoothing are very different. First you will see in that smudging and blending with the blending stick, then you can see here also the way of blending with brush and with blending stick. It's very different. Next, we'll take the earbud. And finally the tissue roll, this one. So I'll fold it out. Okay, now you can see. So basically I use all these tools but for different things. like earbud I rarely use it because I have blending stick, so I don't use earbud. So those who don't have blending stick, they can use earbud. So basically blending stick I basically use for lines and for hairs. When you have to blend out the hairs, then you can use the blending stick. Then for face, for like nose, for making eye and lining under the eye and the eyebrows, you can use this brush. Okay, so it will if you use, what happen if you use this blending stick with on the face, what will happen, sometime it will tear up your page also. So it will be very heartbreaking when you are doing a commission work. So I don't prefer to use this blending stick on the face. I generally use brushes, although it takes times, but the result are very good, definitely. Next, the earbud. So I told you, those who don't have blending stick, they can use earbuds. And finally, the tissue roll. So I have shown you how tissue roll work. So basically tissue roll I use for the larger area to blend out all the things. If my portrait is large or the surface is large, I use the tissue roll. Thank you. I hope you enjoy the video, and please like and subscribe.